Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a summer makeup look. This is going to be more natural. This is kind of like an everyday makeup tutorial as well. Let's go right ahead and jump in. First things first, I take the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. It looks like this. I just take that and I rub it in my face. Let's go ahead and do our eyebrows. I'm using the e.l.f. Eyebrow Duo Brush, and I just brush my eyebrows up. Now I'm going in with the CoverGirl Easy Breezy Brow Shape and Define. Looks like this. I don't know if this is like a gel for your eyebrows or what, but I just use it. I used to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow pomade thing to fill in my brows, but this pretty much does the trick, so I just use this instead. Now I'm just going to go in with my e.l.f. brush again and just mess around with the hairs, kind of place them where I want them to be placed. I need to trim my eyebrows. They're a little long. I take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the shade Soft Brown. Yeah, Soft Brown. And I just go in and I underline the underneath of my eyebrows. Just kind of helps define them a little more. Fill them in a little bit more too. Make them look fuller. And then I just take that and do this so it mixes in with everything. This is clearly my better brow. That looks decent. Then I go in and I fill in any spots that I think could use a little more color, because my eyebrows bald a little bit. Actually looks like shit. Most of the time I just take 2 fingers and I swipe up, so then my shit's even. So now that eyebrows are done, let's go in and start the face. I'm gonna take the Rimmel London Lasting Concealer in the shade Fair, which it looks like this. Just squeeze that out, and then I just put this on my pimples. And then once I'm done covering my pimples, I'm going to take another concealer, and it's the Rimmel London Match Perfection 2-in-1 Skin Tone Adapting Concealer and Highlighter in the shade Fair, which is 125. This stuff, I use it all the time. I think it's really good. It looks like this. And then just use this to highlight my areas on my face, like the under eye. And then I just put it on top of the other concealer and mix it in. Also, just a little bit right there too. This might be the same shade as my other concealer, because they're both in this shade Fair, but this is 125 and this is 100. So I don't know if there's a difference. I think there's a difference, but I could be wrong. And now I just take a damp beauty blender and I dab that shit in. And for the under eyes, I just try to spread it in like a V shape. now that we've basically covered our whole face in concealer, I'm going to take the Neutrogena Skin Clearing Mineral Powder. Looks like this. It's in the shade Classic Ivory. So I'm just going to take the Ulta powder brush. Looks like this. My eyebrows are pissing me off. Oh, this eyebrow looks terrible. I'm sorry, guys.
Anyways.
I just take some of this and I just dab it under my eyes.
Dab it on my nose, and I dab it around my mouth. And on my forehead.
Basically, the places where I apply most of the concealer, I dab this foundation on, and the others I just swipe it.
I think that's what this is called, swiping.
Now that we're done with concealer and foundation, let's go into highlighter. First though, I want to put Vaseline on my lips just to moisturize them, because your lips can never be too moisturized. Yep, so I have the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Powder in 321B, which is Precious Petals. It looks like this. So I'm just going to apply this on the tip of my nose. A little bit. And on this part. And also, I make like a C on my face. Put it right there. And then I also like to go in and put it on my, I don't know what these are called. These things of your forehead. And also on my chin. And then after that, I just take my beauty blender and I dab that in a little bit to kind of blend it all in together. Now, let's move on to the eyes. So for highlighting my inner corner of my eye and my brow bone, I'm going to use the Ulta eyeshadow brush. And I'm just going to take that and I'm going to put it on my inner corner crease. And I'm also going to put this on my brow bone. So now onto the eyeliner. All I do with my eyeliner is I just put it on the upper waterline, just like in the center. I don't bring it all the way to the corners. So yep, that's it for eyeliner. I'm just going to take a eyelash curler. So I just use this mascara. It's the Maybelline New York Lash Sensational Faux Fan Effect. It looks like this. I'm just going to go in and I'm going to apply this to my eyelashes. Top lashes are done. And for the bottom lashes, I'm just going to take the CoverGirl Waterproof Lash Blast Volume. Just looks like this. It's in the shade Black Brown. And I just apply that to my bottom lashes. I normally put on setting spray, but today I'm not going to. I'm just going to show you guys what I use. I use the NYX Dewy Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray, which looks like this. You can get it at Meijer or Walmart. But yeah, I just spray that on my face and then wait for that to dry. And then I always go in with this lip gloss from Victoria's Secret. It's called Beauty Rush Flavored Gloss. Pink Goes Pop. Looks like this. Rub that in. This is the finished look. This is the summer natural makeup look, whatever you want to call it. Very minimal look of makeup, very natural looking. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a good day.